Hello teacher and classmate, my name is Deisy. Now I'm going to talk about my activity number 3 of the English class. My activity is about my next vacations. Okay, the first question is, where are you going to travel? I'm going to travel to the beach. What city you going to visit? I'm going to visit Santa Marta City because I think it is a beautiful city with beautiful beaches. Number 3. Where are you going to stay? I'm going to stay at the Stellar Hotel because I think it is a comfortable hotel. What are you going to wear? I'm going to wear a cool wear and relaxed wear because in Santa Marta City the weather is very hot. Sometimes I will be wear swim bath. Number 5. Who are you going to invite to the travel? I'm going to invite my beautiful family, my husband and my little boys. What activities will you do in that place? I will run in the beaches, I will walk in the beaches, I will swim in the swimming pool. How much money will you spend there? I will spend 1 or 2 million more or less. I don't sure about that. Okay, teacher and classmate, that's all for the moment. Thank you for your attention. See you later.